Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in magma with black leather interior. 4 doors, seating for 5 with a 6.5-foot box. This has got a 4x4 5-liter V8 flex fuel engine. It's also a FX4 off-road package, a trailer tow package, and a Lariat sport package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's 3 memory positions for different drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your power pedals located here, lighting controls, and LED side view mirror spotlights. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. And your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you've got your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start, so keys in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. Any important messages as well as a menu are going to pop up here. We can toggle through My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center we have a little cubby up above there, and also the logo for B&O stereo system that you have in here. You also have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for better fuel economy. You're seeing a display screen coming up. You can slide through for things like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, and as well you can touch on your audio, and you have your sources of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and there's the Bluetooth again. You can also go into your navigation, and when you put your vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. You have your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player, and down below is dual climate control. You've got heated and cooled seats for passenger and driver, as well as AC and max AC, and your front and rear defrost. Off to the side is 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down in the cubby, you're seeing a couple of USB outlets, and on your shifter, it's a select shifter as well. You have drive mode. When you press that, you're going to see it on your dash, and then you can go through it. So we started with normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again. You've got a couple of cup holders down there, and when you open this up in your armrest, you've got a little bin you can take out. You've got a 12 volt, and you've got lots of storage in there. Off to the side, you have a 12 volt and a 110 outlet, and a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and as well, whoops, there you go. You have the button that slides that power window, and when you want some fresh air, you just open up your sunroof with a push of a button. 20-inch Toyo wheels, 6-inch Pro Comp lift kit, mud flaps, black running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup cameras just below that handle. You have backup sensors on your bumper, a trailer hitch, 4 and 7 pin connector, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that lift gate, all you have to do is double click your fob. It powers it down for you. And inside you'll notice it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners as well as box length. You also have a tailgate step, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seats with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. You now have access as well behind the seat where your jack is located, and then you can flip it right back up and it's in the upright seated position. You've also got an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents. This vehicle also comes with extra carpeted mats for the floor and all-weather mats. Up above there's hooks and lighting in that panoramic view, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, wheel flares, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system and integrated turn signals, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.